Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you might be wondering what I'm up to today. Today I'm gonna try to pull a doing my makeup bag to see how my mom reacts, to just get a reaction. I've never done anything like this on my channel, so there's a first time for everything. Don't expect me to be doing pranks and so on. I'm seeing the outcomes of pranks on YouTubers channel, and some pranks where I run on YouTube should not be, should not think about video. You understand? So me I just try this innocent little prank or so on, just to get a reaction to see how my Jamaican mother, because you know, if you're watching this and you're not from Jamaica, I am a Jamaican, you'll probably get it by the accent by now, and I want to see how my mom would react. Why not? I must be granted. Anyways, yes guys, so I'm in the bathroom. I don't want her to hear me. I'm gonna do it right now, and let's see what happens. Okay, so the plan is I should turn down, make one lock the door because okay, so the plan is tomorrow, sorry, is my cousin's birthday. She's gonna be turning 4, and if you're watching this, KK, happy birthday to you, lovely. So I'm gonna be baking some cupcakes for her, and because of that I got some things in town yesterday for the cupcakes, like flour and so on, but I need some eggs, so I'll probably head on to the corner shop or some other shop to get the eggs. Probably the corner shop, of course. I'm gonna pretend like I'm doing all of this just to go to the corner store, just to have a excuse as to why I'm wearing makeup, because if I'm not going anywhere grand or so forth, like I won't put on makeup. It has to be some event for me to put on makeup for. So yeah, I'm gonna be using my little camera here. I did somewhere. I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put it. Like I probably should put it on the veranda where she normally sits during her leisure time when she's not doing anything. You probably won't hear a lot, I don't know, because the audio on this isn't as clear as this that I'm using, so you probably just get the image of what's going on. But I'm gonna try this, guys. I'm not going to make this be a failure. So oh my gosh, guys who actually do pranks, ain't it nerve-wracking for you? Just gonna put in my ears ring right now. I often just make it seem like I'm dressing to go somewhere, so she can say, then why your makeup looks so, and you go out some, you know them way there? You go somewhere and your makeup looks so, you can't afford that some man, you know? Oh boy, let's see. Oh, I'm gonna put this one in, then get back to you. I won't waste your time with this. Okay guys, so I kind of set the camera right. I wonder if it's bright enough. She can recognize though, because she normally sit down here, so somebody right here. She does it. Alright, Pete. Oh yeah. Yeah. So sorry about that. Somebody was passing by that I knew. So basically, gonna put it somewhere here. I don't know, I hope it isn't a flop and it isn't angled badly, and I'm just gonna come up and gonna see a reaction. But I need to hide this because nothing is covering this. I need to get a cloth or something. What am I going to use? Use my sweater. Oh my gosh. Do you guys do this? Okay guys, so she got out of the veranda now. I changed my clothes because I'm going to go to the shop now, and what I had on was a bit too much for a corner shop, you know. And because I'm going to ride my bicycle, yes, I ride my bicycle to shops. One thing to know about me. Oh, me I sweat. Ooh, I want to get this show on the road. So, I'm not going to do my neat eyebrow, I'm not coming to normally do. This is gonna look ugly, yo. Oh gosh. I will make it somewhat look neat, but at the same time ugly. Is there such a thing? Oh gosh. Ooh. It's weird. It's weird, yo. Let's go put that. Being nervous. Why it looks so good on camera? In real, it don't look good at all, you know? Don't make the camera fool your hair. So me I do my makeup, I never do my makeup, so. Hey, I'm gonna have a lipstick since I'm going to that. Alright, since I don't have no lipstick, I'll make lipstick. I'll make some. Oh my gosh. Oh, let me put on a blush. Sorry, so I use my hand, guys. Like, my brush them they all about the place, and I can't by that time I run out on me. Just so I can get this. But that's why I get this over with. So embarrass myself on national, well, on a TV, but you get the gist. Okay, I eat this now. Let's see what happens.
No, te canto da minha filha, senão eu pego aqui, ó. Yeah, but if you put on your dress, you
Oh, pay too. I look good.
too much of this away, so yes, yes, too much away. Just put on this, get the car, but sitting.
Put me up a blind, so where I'm with you.
That's it, just put on your shirt, so we have to put on makeup and sit.
What's the put me this one? Look good for guy, can't I shop?
No, man, too much of your fear, look like me, auntie, guy. I told me, I said, your friend, I'm going to work out tomorrow. Stop. You want me to lie on your friend?
You mean?
No, your friend, I'm going to work out.
Oh, the friend me are.
can't go too much away. Blue. Too much blue I said, no. Just a blue too much. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm take off the blue, you could have silver.
Yeah, too much I. Just the car song with the answer. So. Yeah, you're fine.
I'm going to see how you want to look better. Don't bother.
Okay, where you get when I see buy big food? Where you get that buy two big food? Man, see it
Not
wrong.
big show, mommy. Where am I going to makeup?
Yeah, big food, yeah.
Here for big food, but not big show.
You know, but I need what you have to say. Let me see what comes in. Leave that one. You have to be friend on me.
What do you mean?
No, I'm not doing that. I'm going to sit. Then I must do something else. What is? Let me go so. Then look at me and I go sit me. You're forgetting too much. I don't know. So I'm going to say that.
It don't look now. We're melting in a mirror. Look. Blue one and you have it.
Maybe I told you I just come up and you find me or something. You know because.
Oh, you know, oh, yeah.
But you know that expect you to come so. Yeah, you.
Oh, boy. So we can't go shop with these things like this.
That's what me say. We have come out to find.
So that means you're alright. This is the feel something like this.
You can know that there. I can't tell you that. I can't
I don't know, Mick. I'm Frank.
Wow.
Oh, Frank, you're Frank. Oh, yeah, I got
You see what you go do? You see what you do to me? I met nice. See, I can't me. I said, where is this from?
me. That shop looks so.
See what me
Oh,
say to you?
yes.
Family no one. Say, Mr. T said, you see what that's where you go there now? Yeah, man.
Well, hi guys, look at you. I need to record you don't know. Mommy, how you feel?
I'm going to tell you,
People look at my face. Good.
I'm insecure.
Shut up now. Mommy, you reading and make me go outside. Look
No,
so.
yeah, me tell you, your friend, and me just say we are.
Got me, I said, whenever you see me put wave on makeup, I said, look there, are they red? Look there.
I just want me to tell you, to my open, I say, yeah, me tell you.
Yeah. You don't see a logo there? How would I go so?
Check, me say to you, say, to my open, say, but you have to take her out, so me know me, I say, no.
That the one video to see if you're going to react now, yeah? And you react good, because what? If you look for me, I'm going
I mean, I know I said, sit like, something.
Okay guys, that was the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys saw our reaction, so I'm gonna wipe off all of this and go to the shop, go get the eggs and start doing my foolishness now. Oh my gosh, me I sweat. It's either from nervousness of a reaction or from the actual heat, because right now it's very hot. Ooh. Yeah guys, so I'm just gonna take all of this off. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys.
No.